Hey, so glad you're back. So, progressive muscle relaxation. What that is we are starting at our feet and working all the way to our head at squeezing and contracting the muscles. And what that does is helps us have body awareness. It helps us get back into our body because most of us, when we're feeling grief, in overwhelm, or in survival mode, we're not actually in our body. We're not recognizing sensations that are happening in our body. And again, this is something that's happening for you as the grown up, but also for our kids. So, this is a great technique to use before bedtime. So, you and your child, or just your child, are laying down, and we start with the feet. So, we contract the toes, we pull our toes in, we squeeze them for 5 seconds, and then we release them. And then we move up to our ankles, we contract them, squeeze them for 5 seconds, release them, then your shins, then or your calf muscles, maybe your knees, your thighs. Again, you can tailor this based on the age of your child, um, by using terms that are age appropriate or that your child has in their vocabulary. There are many YouTube videos, if you look up progressive muscle relaxation, that you could find one. I always suggest listen to it for a few minutes. Make sure you like the voice, you like the pace. And then sometimes some of the progressive muscle relaxation, because it's a technique you use before bed, some of them are much longer than others. So if you only have a certain amount of time, you may want to also double check the length. And again, you're moving the energy up as you contract and retract all of the muscles, and then going all the way up to your head, kind of squeezing in, relaxing, letting go. The more you practice this, the more the body says, oh, this is what we do before bed. And you'll start to notice that your body will relax much sooner. Again, great to use the techniques more often or on a more consistent basis for you to get the maximum results. So if you have any questions, as always, please reach out.